Use AI to create and sell mind-blowing images, graphics and photos icons for any niche. Let's face it. Using attention-grabbing images is the #1 way to attract maximum audience attention and get them hooked to your offers. In today's world that's constantly flooded with tons of distractions, it's not a surprise that business owners hardly have 3 to 4 seconds for getting customers' attention, and if they fail to do so, then there are tons of chances of losing the customer in the long run. Now, I know you are wondering what's the best way to get customers hooked to your brand. Some more stats that clarify why attention-grabbing graphics and images are red-hot in demand for business owners globally. Yes, with all the numbers and benefits we showed above, it's crystal clear that using attention-grabbing images is high in demand right now and it will continue to prosper in the coming decade as well. So, without any further delay, let me pull open the curtains. Proudly presenting Flow-O-Matic Image Upgrade. Create amazing AI arts by just inserting a keyword. Only for the early action takers who get this upgrade, we're offering the complete power to create amazing AI arts by just inserting a keyword. Just imagine how fast and easy we've made graphic creation across all niches. Get AI Prompt Recommender to create even better AI arts. Using this AI Prompt Recommender, anyone can rewrite their prompts and create even more engaging AI arts without any extra efforts. Create up to 10 different images with no extra work. Now, go beyond the ordinary and create up to 10 different images at the same time and get more audience hooked using the power of attractive visuals in literally no time. Remove background from any image in few clicks. Make your existing images even better by removing their background and make them look fresh in just a few clicks of your mouse. Create attention-grabbing images for any offer and niche. With the power of this upgrade, creating attention-grabbing images for any offer and niche just got faster and easier. Enlarge any image in high resolution with zero quality compromise. Now, enlarge any image in high resolution and use it to get maximum audience hooked without depending on any third parties. Use our built-in image editor and designer to edit and manipulate images on the go. With this state-of-the-art image editor, modifying images and making them look even more attractive will be as easy as a child's play. Just put the editor into action and we'll take care of the rest. Stop paying huge money monthly to third parties. Finally, with all these exclusive features, getting more audience hooked without paying huge money monthly to third parties is completely possible. Bonus number 1. WooCommerce eStore Builder. Value, $647. Are you looking to launch your e-commerce store but don't want to pay monthly fees on Shopify? Then this is a must-have tool that will create a professional store so you can start selling products and make money. Tons of features, you can add unlimited products, custom slideshows, videos, and other engaging multimedia to enhance the online shopping experience for your customers. Bonus number 2. Pin Matrix Pro. Value, $997. Pin Matrix Pro is an fully automated Adobe Air software that automates Pinterest tasks in one click like multiple image pinning, setting delays and automating the pins on different niche boards to drive niche targeted traffic to your products and much more. Bonus number 3. Ad Rotator. Value, $397. Quickly and easily insert rotating text ads on your stores for products your visitors devour. If you are an e-com store owner, this powerful tool that will put your store's revenue on turbo power by running your own ads for proven products that pay you a fortune. Bonus number 5. Start your own coaching business. Value, $597. In this video course you will learn how to start a profitable online coaching business and the best platforms and tools to start selling your knowledge online. We are 200% sure that the powerful features packed in this upgrade are not available anywhere else at such a low price. However, we can only accept a limited number of people at this unbelievable low one-time price, so claim your spot and take advantage of our offer before it expires forever. We are very transparent with our dealings with our customers, hence you have 30 days to check this.